Good morning, children. So, today we will be doing the next chapter of your GK book, which is chapter 7 Indian Nobel Prize winners. So, basically, when we start the chapter, what is Nobel Prize? First, we have to learn that. We have to know that the Nobel Prize is a 5 separate prizes. It consists of 5 separate prizes in 5 various fields, and it was started according to the Alfred Nobel's will of 1895. It is awarded to those who have greatest benefited to the ह्यूमन काइंड, जिन्होंने ह्यूमन काइंड के रेस में कुछ एक ऐसा कुछ ग्रेट बेनिफिट दिया है, उनको नोबल प्राइजेस दिए जाते हैं. एंड दे आर सेपरेटली गिवन इन द फील्ड्स ऑफ 5 डिफरेंट फील्ड्स, जो कि मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. फर्स्ट इज़ नोबल प्राइज इन द फील्ड ऑफ फिज़िक्स. Second is in the field of chemistry, then physiology or medicine is the third category, literature is the fourth, and peace is the fifth category. So today we are going to learn about those who are of Indian origin, who are Indian, who won these Nobel Prize, which is internationally a very proud moment that they deserved these prizes, they got these prizes. So we'll further know more about them. So I'm just going to read and explain you. First, there is this picture. He was a biochemist who shared the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1968 with Marshall W. Nirenberg and Robert W. Hawley. He was born in British India, now part of Pakistan. He was homeschooled by his father until high school. So the name is Hargobind Khurana. So Hargobind Khurana, he was a biochemist. इन्होंने नोबल प्राइज़ फिजियोलॉजी या मेडिसिन के क्षेत्र में इनमें 1968 में ही गॉट इट, एंड ही शेयर्ड इट अलॉन्ग विथ मार्शल डब्ल्यू निरनबर्ग एंड रॉबर्ट हॉली. ठीक है. एंड ब्रिटिश इंडिया इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं था जब इंडिया, दैट टाइम ही वॉज बॉर्न, दैट प्लेस इज नाउ पार्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान. सो द नेम इज द करेक्ट आंसर इज हरगोबिंद खुराना. यू हैव टू राइट दैट. Now the next is he is an India-born American and British biologist. He shared the 2009 Nobel Prize in Chemistry with Thomas A. Steets and Ada A. Yonath. He was also awarded India's second highest civilian honor, the Padma Vibhushan, in 2010. So the name is Venkatraman Ramakrishnan. So Venkatraman Ramakrishnan, he was India-born American. So who are India-born? When we say India-born American, so these are the people who are born in India and then later on they got a green card in another country. So so they live in some other country and then they are called India-born American. He was residing in America at that time. So he was a biologist, and biologist is a person who studies biology. He got the prize in chemistry for along with Thomas A. Steets and Ada A. Yonath. He was also awarded India's highest civilian honor. आपने इससे पहले जब चैप्टर पढ़ा था तो वी हैव लर्नड अबाउट पद्म भूषण व पद्म विभूषण, भारत रत्न एंड ऑल दिस अवार्ड. सो ही वेंकटरमन रामकृष्णन also got Padma Vibhushan in 2010. So this is India's highest civilian honor award. ठीक है. So he got that also. So the answer is Venkatraman Ramakrishnan. Now the third one, he was the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for his collection of poems Gitanjali. So we all know who is he. His compositions Jana Gana Mana and Amar Shonar Bangla were chosen by two nations, India and Bangladesh, as their national anthems respectively. So this is such a proud moment that the eminent personality of India, who is Rabindranath Tagore, who not only got this Nobel Peace Award for Gitanjali, his collection of poems, but he is also written two national anthems for two countries. So India and Bangladesh, that was his creation. Jana Gana Mana for India and Amar Shonar Bangla is for Bangladesh. So he is Rabindranath Tagore. So the answer will be Rabindranath Tagore. So here you can see there is one more question. Which famous educational institution was established by Rabindranath Tagore in West Bengal? The answer will be Shanti Niketan. So Shanti Niketan is the institution which was started by which was established by Rabindranath Tagore in West Bengal. So now if we move on to the next page, we see he was an Indian American astrophysicist who with William A. Fowler won the 1983 Nobel Prize for Physics. He was the nephew of Sir Chandrasekhara Venkatraman, who won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. So Shri Chandrasekhar Venkatraman, he won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. इनके नेव्यू कौन होते हैं, भतीजा या भांजा जिन्हें कहते हैं, उनके नेव्यू थे ये हैं, और उनका नाम है सुब्र नारायण चंद्रशेखर. तो सुब्र नारायण चंद्रशेखर इज़ द नेव्यू ऑफ चंद्रशेखर Venkatraman, and he won Nobel Peace Prize for what? For physics in 1983. So children, these are the points which have to be highlighted, which year they won the prize and for what they have won, because every category has different like they won for, sometimes they won for peace, sometimes they won for literature, sometimes they won for physics or medicine. So you have to know that, and you have to underline these terms. So the answer will be Subramanian Chandra Shekhar. So next is number 5th. She was born Agnes Gonza Bozakslu. She founded Missionaries of Charity in Kolkata in 1950. She was the recipient of numerous honors, including the 1979 Nobel Peace Prize. She was declared saint by the Catholic Church in 2016. So the answer is Saint Mother Teresa. As you all know, we were fortunate to be part of her charitable programs and all that. She already did so many things in India. So in Kolkata, she was the person, everybody know her as Mother Teresa. Those people who are they do work for humanity, like Mahatma Gandhi. More people doesn't know them by the name of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, or they don't know the name of Mother Teresa fully, but they call them out of love and honor, like Mother Teresa. उन्होंने माँ का ही दर्जा दिया है, महात्मा गांधी. So they have given him that respect. So Mother Teresa, we all know that she never believed in prejudice. She never believed in untouchability, और वो किस तरह से charity करती थी, गरीबों की मदद करती थी. So she founded the Missionaries of Charity. Charity जब जन कल्याण के लिए आप बिना किसी जैसे कहते हैं कि बिना किसी पैसे के, बिना किसी आपके ओन बेनिफिट के काम करते हो, और आप किसी you work for the society. So that is how charitable trust works. These are NGOs. यहाँ पर जो फंड होता है, दिस इज़ नॉट समथिंग इन विच पीपल आर पेड सैलरी एंड ऑल दैट, एंड दे वर्क फॉर द चैरिटी ऑफ ह्यूमन काइंड. सो यहाँ पर शी वॉज द रेसिपिएंट ऑफ न्यूमरस ऑनर्स. बहुत ज़्यादा उनको ऑनर्स और अवार्ड मिले थे, एंड द 1979 नोबल पीस अवार्ड उन्हें मिला था, और उसके साथ साथ उन्हें सेंट का, कैथोलिक चर्च जो 2016 में उन्होंने सेंट का, महात्मा का दर्जा दिया था. So the name is Saint Mother Teresa. Now we move on to the sixth one. So I'll just make the screen more visible. So he was an Indian physicist whose work was very helpful in the growth of science in India. He was the recipient of Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. He was the first non-white to receive any Nobel Prize in sciences. So Sir C.V. Raman, he was the Indian physicist. Physicist कौन होते हैं? जो who studies physics. So his work was very helpful. C.V. Raman's work was very helpful for India in the growth of science. और ये पहले रेसिपिएंट थे जो फर्स्ट नॉन वाइट रेसिपिएंट, नॉन वाइट बिकॉज फॉर ड्यू टू रेसिज्म एंड ऑल दैट, वाइट्स एंड नॉन वाइट्स, एशियंस एंड वाइट्स वर डिस्टिंग्विश्ड एंड ऑल दैट. सो दैट इज़ वाई ही वॉज द फर्स्ट नॉन वाइट टू receive this Nobel Prize in the field of science. So when did he receive? He received this Nobel Prize in 1930 for his work in physics. So you have to underline why he won this prize. So it was for physics. He have been in the field of physics. He has been given. So now next is, I'll just move the screen. So the next one is, he is an Indian economist who was awarded 1998 Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Science. In 2012, he became the first non-American recipient of National Humanities Medal. So Amartya Sen, the answer is Amartya Sen. He is an Indian economist. Economist कौन होते हैं? जो अर्थशास्त्र, जो study of economy करते हैं कि how the country will run, how the state of funds will be there, how the national and international ट्रेड विल गो ऑन. ये जो पूरा इकनॉमी की जो स्टडी करते हैं उसको उनको बोलते हैं अर्थशास्त्र जिसे बोलते हैं, उनको इकोनॉमिस्ट बोलते हैं. तो उसमें इस फील्ड में ही वन इकोनॉमिक साइंस में ही वन 2012 में ही वन द प्राइज़ एंड ही वाज द फर्स्ट नॉन अमेरिकन. हमेशा ये अवार्ड जो ये था नेशनल ह्यूमैनिटीज़ मेडल था, वो हमेशा इट यूज टू बी गिवन टू द अमेरिकन ओनली. सो ही वाज द फर्स्ट नॉन अमेरिकन recipient of the National Humanities Medal. So don't get confused between Nobel Prize and his other awards. So this is National Humanities Medal which he got as a non-American. So the answer is Amartya Sen. Okay. Now the last one which we move on, and then this is, he is an Indian children right advocate and activist against child labor. He won the Nobel Prize for Peace in 2014 and he started the Bachpan Bachao Andolan in 1980 and has acted to protect the rights of more than 83,000 children from across 144 countries. So whenever anyone gets a Nobel Peace Award, Peace Prize, so it is not an easy award to get. There are so many people who are doing so well in so many fields, but all across the world when a person gets, so his contribution to the mankind, to the humanity is so much. So we see Kailash Satyarthi, what he did, he was an advocate of human right in child right. So basically बच्चों के जो बाल अधिकार होते हैं, बच्चों के क्या अधिकार होते हैं, जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, कम उम्र के बच्चे होते हैं, उनसे काम कराया जा रहा है या बाल शोषण किया जा रहा है या बाल श्रम किया जा रहा है जो कि इलीगल है, उसके लिए इन्होंने लड़ाई लड़ी और उन्होंने 1980 में बचपन बचाओ आंदोलन स्टार्ट किया था और उसके साथ साथ ही हैज़ एक्टेड. So he has acted and he has advocated to protect the right of more than कितने 83,000 से भी ज़्यादा बच्चों के इन्होंने राइट प्रोटेक्ट करवाए, उनको न्याय दिलाया, उनको गैर कानूनी कामों से बचाया और ना केवल एक कंट्री में 144 कंट्रीज़ के बच्चों के साथ इन्होंने इस तरीके से उनको न्याय दिलवाया. सो द नेम इज़ कैलाश सत्यार्थी. So children, I hope you understood these are the Indian Nobel Prize winners. So as for now, today's homework, as I told you in the class also, I have explained you that you have to Google 5 more facts about each of them so that you are very well aware. So this is an activity of today. As a homework, you have to write down 5 more facts of all these Indian Nobel Prize winners so that when you read more about them, you are able to grasp new points, and these facts should be apart from those facts which are already given in the book. So for further doubts and queries, you can ask me in our next class. And thank you. Have a nice day.